So guys, this is the first video we made. Currently we are in KB, heading to Miri. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! So this is the driver.
This is the driver bed review.
Bed review, bro. Hello, 5 star.
Please don't ask this guy again, bro. Baik, apa boleh buat, bro? Kami sudah balik package ulang alik, bro.
Oh, kami sudah bayarkan, bro.
Jangan gitu ya, kami bagi bad review, bro.
1 star, bro. 1 star.
Oke. Sekian. Teman. Bapak cuman, Mbak silakan.
Bro, kan buat pos untuk Malaysia, bro.
Bapak silakan. You will be accompanied by Hamish over there.
23 baru.
Breakfast, bro. Breakfast. We're gonna breakfast at gym, bro. Oh my god, that cameraman, bro. Yeah, boy. Currently, we're heading to the airport with this our driver over here, bed review driver. All right. So yes. Please. So yes, and there goes the bed mood me. Okay, bro.
Exactly.
Thank you, bro, for sending us, bro. Okay.
bro.
Thank you, Mesa. Thank you, Mia. Thank you,
Bye,
Nala.
Nala.
Bye. So it's just us now.
So bye-bye.
Si Hilmi. Pasal dia punya pasport nak kena chop tadi ada sungai tidur.
Caca.
So bro,
Hah? Kami passport.
Hah? Mana tu bro? Apa kabarnya bro?
So, apa tu, bro?
Alhamdulillah bro.
Kena pain, bro, 50.
Kena pain 50.
Kena 50 lagi, bro. Sudah tadi benda tu. Kau ngajet.
So alhamdulillah
So
he's
how do
on
you
board
feel today?
because that tattoo guy didn't pass
You mean-
chop.
Pantannya kunjung berapis sana. Dapat arrival.
Okay. We are here in the Miri Airport. Yeah, ni bekas banduan. Yeah, boy. Don't know kalau lurus kayo na tapi on siya kalau kejipun lah. Pasal I don't know. bro. Pakai kipasan nih bro.
The Grab and then go straight to the epicenter. You know, epicenter or epi.
Yeah, we're going to Epi Center.
Can you bantuan lapas bro?
Banduan lapas bro.
Nombor ko.
Ini bro, apa nih bro?
Welcome bro.
Welcome to bro. Our bedroom is over here. You put off your shoes first. Then this department over here. We have a set of TV, and we have our bedroom. Can you see over there?
Apa saya jadi say one thing.
And then we have over here. We have a kitchen. Over here. And over before the kitchen, we have a washroom.
A lavatory?
And you can use everything over here, the utensils. So I think that's all much today for her. But see you again after this chat.
Karamunsing, bro. We're currently in Karamunsing. Okay, hari ini first thing we gonna eat is here in Asia Russia. Yeah. Never mind bro, we're gonna eat here bro.
So guys, this is the apa tadi? Ice coffee Vietnamese bro. So ada filter, you can see coffee. Can you see that? Coffee filter looks like something like this inside. Yeah. What you need to do is take this out. Yeah. The filter is everything is dropping down already or dipping down. You can put it somewhere or anywhere safe. First you need to stir it first. Because there is some gula. You know what I'm talking about? I'm not gula bro. Oh bro. Milk kedes. Okay, make sure it's fully blended. Like that. Wow, it's pretty unique. Oh my god. And you make it what we call coffee ping bro. Coffee ping. Just like that. It's like
Nice.
pet bro, pet. Okay, you need to stir it anymore because it's already stirred. So, oh my god, it's ice. Pandemic lang this ice.
So how was it, bro? Wah, bro.
You know, wah bro, I mean best bro. You know, macam I don't know, quality itu macam different yang aku rasa sebelum ni. It feels different, you know, macam pahitnya tu kerja hari pulang sia. Pahitnya macam dan dah batal lah.
Ya, bah.
Nyaman lah dirasa. And you know, refreshing juga lah at the same time. So, perumahan Alhamdulillah tempat ni. So tempatnya di mana tadi namanya? Hah? Mint bro at Karamunsing. So on a scale of 10, I'm gonna give this coffee a solid 8. Okay? The texture-nya apa? Macam kopi biasa pulang. Tapi the taste-nya tu macam mana? Reminiscing adalah memori yang minum kopi dulu macam tu. Okay, thank you bro. So I'm gonna enjoy this drink. Bye bye.
Yeah, currently we are in the Centrepoint. Maximum training, bro. Versatility designer with style. Not impressed. Bro, we're going shopping, bro. So this is water, bro, water.
We go there again, bro. I mean, we survey first.
Survey water.
And we have time, bro. Right now it's 6.
We have another 7 more days, bro,
And bro, we are
to survey water.
bro.
So we're trying here.
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
I'm okay, bro.
Corner.
I'm okay, corner, bro.
You're okay?
I'm
Corner?
okay.
I'm okay. Okay. They serve this type of drinks in here.
Yes, bro.
Pearl milk tea over there. Yeah, Shang. Yeah, here in the Centrepoint macam-macam ada, bro. Ada kedai jual telepon, ada makanan dan sebagainya, like you know. And now we're heading back to the apartment. Front left.
From Delta, bro.
Front left, bro, front left. Lagi. Bersep. Alright, sebelah bro. Bersep, bro. Welcome, bro. Welcome to Howling Village.